Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, just click on Websites from the top. Then click on Dashboard next to your website. To install WordPress on your website, just go to Website, then click on WordPress. Click on this Install button first and fill in your website credentials like the website title. For example, I will give it title 1. This is the email address I want to use and also the username. And now I need to enter my password. After filling your administrative password, click on the next button. For the WordPress version or the PHP, I recommend you always to select the latest one. From this drop-down list, you can use your site language. I want it to be in English, and after that, click on Install. And now my WordPress website is successfully installed on Hostinger. To visit my WordPress admin, just click on this admin panel button. And this is my new WordPress on Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.